Dear friends and students, I am Nakul. Welcome to Math Study Center. From thumbnail, you already know what I will discuss in this video. I have discussed every section very well. There are so many important examples, there are so many important exercises in this video which will be very helpful for all of you. So watch this video from first to last. If this video helps you even a little bit, give a thumbs up, leave your comment and share this video with all of your friends. Okay, let's start our discussion.
Well, in matrices chapter, these are the following topics which are kept in your class 12 as well as your joint entrance examination syllabus. In this video, I will discuss topic number 1 and topic number 2, that is concept of matrix and types of matrix. And this chapter containing around 6 to 7 marks in your board exam. Okay. Now, these are the following topics which I will discuss in this video. First, what is a matrix? What is a real matrix, what is a complex matrix, and second, types of matrix. In types of matrix, row matrix, column matrix, zero matrix, square matrix, diagonal matrix, scalar matrix, identity matrix, triangular matrix, comparable matrix, and equal matrix. And third, there are some important examples related to each of the matrix. And fourth, there is an exercise which containing some important problems. Okay. But before starting discussion, I want to mention three things. Number one, watch this video in at least 720p and in 1.25x speed so that you need a little bit less time to finish this video. And second, most of content of this video has taken from NCERT Exemplar, R.D. Sharma and many other books. And third, everything I will discuss has already been written on screen. I will just explain them one by one. So read them well, which are written on screen already, and follow my discussion. That will be enough. Okay. Let's start our discussion. First, what is a matrix? Definition of a matrix is a set of mn numbers. Those numbers may be real or imaginary, arranged in the form of a rectangular array of m rows and n columns is called an m by n matrix. And an m by n matrix is written like this form. Whole this structure is called an m by n matrix. This line, along this line, this is called a row number 1. This along this line, this is called a row number 2, R2. This line is called row number I, and this line along this line we called row number M, Rn. And this is along vertical direction. This is our first column C1. This is our second column C2, and this is our third column C3. This is our jth column Cj, and this is our nth column Cn. And in compact form, the above matrix is represented by this. Here notice one thing, for any element Aij in this matrix capital A, I is denoting its row number and J is denoting its column number. COLUMN, column number. Clear? Now this is an example of a matrix of order 3 by 4, because there are 3 rows. This is first row, this is second row, this is third row, this is first column, this is second column, this is third column, and this is fourth column. And this matrix containing 12 element. Clear? Now if we choose any element Aij of this matrix, then I is row number and J is column number of this element. If I is equal to J is equal to 1, then we will have the first element A11 is equal to 2. If we choose I is equal to 2 and J is equal to 3, then we will have this element. If we choose I is equal to 3 and J is equal to 1, then definitely we will have the element A31, and A31 is the element this, where row number is 3 and column number is 1. Clear? Now if Aij belongs to our real number set, then this matrix A is called a real matrix. And if Aij belongs to our complex number set, that means Aij is in the form of C plus Id, then this matrix A is called a complex matrix. Clear? Now types of matrix. In types of matrix, first row matrix. What is a row matrix? A matrix having only one row is called a row matrix. An example of row matrix is this. In this matrix, number of row is 1 and number of column is 4. This is C1, this is C2, and this is column number 3, and this is column number 4. Okay. Now, column matrix. A matrix having only one column is called a column matrix. This is example of column matrix. This matrix is only one column, and this matrix containing 3 rows. This is row 1, this is row 2, and this is row 3. So this matrix is of order 3 by 1. Third, zero matrix. An m by n matrix whose each element is 0 is called a zero matrix or a null matrix of order m by n. This is an example of zero matrix. And zero matrix is written by this symbol. Okay. Fourth, a square matrix. A matrix in which the number of rows equals the number of columns. Say number of row and number of columns are equal, then that matrix is called a square matrix of order n. If aij be elements of this matrix, then for I is equal to j, all the elements are called diagonal element of this matrix, and the line which containing all the diagonal elements is called the principal diagonal or simply diagonal. This is our square matrix, and here 2, 7, 3 is called diagonal element because a11 is equal to 2, a22 is equal to 7, a33 is equal to 3. So 2, 7, 3 are called diagonal element, and this is called principal diagonal or simply a diagonal. Clear? Fifth, diagonal matrix. A square matrix A is called a diagonal matrix if and only if all the non-diagonal elements are 0. This is example of diagonal matrix whose order is 1. This is example of diagonal matrix whose order is 2. This is example of diagonal matrix whose order is 3. Notice one thing here, non-diagonal elements are 0. Here non-diagonal elements are 0. Okay. Sixth, a scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are equal is called a scalar matrix. And if A is a scalar matrix, then obviously all the elements Aij of this scalar matrix satisfy this condition. All non-diagonal elements are 0 and all the diagonal elements are same number. This is an example of scalar matrix whose order is 1. This is an example of scalar matrix whose order is 2. Here all the elements are same. This is an example of scalar matrix with order 3. Clear? 7. Identity matrix. A scalar matrix in which each diagonal element is unity, that is 1, is called an identity matrix or unit matrix. So obviously if A is just identity matrix, then all the elements of A will satisfy this condition. All diagonal elements will be 1 and non-diagonal elements will be 0. This is example of identity matrix of order 1. This is example of identity matrix of order 2. This is example of identity matrix of order. Clear? Now an identity matrix of order n is usually denoted by in. Okay. Now triangular matrix. Triangular matrix is three kind: upper triangular, lower triangular, or strictly triangular. First, upper triangular. A square matrix A is called upper triangular if and only if all elements Aij is equal to 0 for I greater than 0. That means all the elements below principal diagonal are 0. For example, this is our principal diagonal, and all the elements below principal diagonal is 0. And for all the elements Aij below principal diagonal, I obviously greater than j. Clear? Now lower triangular matrix. A square matrix A is called lower triangular matrix if and only if all the elements Aij is equal to 0 when j greater than 0. That is, all the elements above the principal diagonal are 0. This is example of our lower triangular matrix. All the elements above principal diagonal is 0. This is our principal diagonal. Clear? For all the elements above principal diagonal, j, that means column number, obviously greater than our row number. This condition. Okay. Now, triangular matrix. A matrix upper or lower triangular is called a triangular matrix. A triangular matrix A is called strictly triangular if all the diagonal elements A, I is equal to 0. Clear? Now, comparable matrices. Two matrices are said to be comparable if and only if both of the matrices has same number of row and column. Clear? Now, equal matrices. Two matrices are called equal matrices. Number one, if both of them containing same number of row as well as same number of column. For example, if these two matrices are equal, then definitely their order is same. This is 2 by 2 matrix and this is also a 2 by 2 matrix, so their order is same. And their corresponding element will be same. That means A is equal to alpha, B is equal to beta, C is equal to gamma, and D is equal to delta. Okay. Now there are some important illustrative examples. This is example number 1. Find the value of x, y, z. These two matrices are equal given. So if we compare them, this is, we will have a first equation, this is second equation, this is third equation. If we simplify them, then we will have x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, and z is equal to 3. Clear? Now this is example number 2. For what value of x and y following matrices are equal? If two matrices are equal, then definitely their corresponding elements will be same. So if A and B are equal, then this is equal to this is equal to this, and this is equal to this, because 5 and 5 both are equal. So we will have three equations, this and this and this. If we solve them, then definitely we will have x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. Clear? Now this is example number 3. Find x, y, a and b if these two matrices are equal. If these two matrices are equal, we can compare them. This is equal to this, and this is equal to this, this is equal to this, and this is equal to this. So if we compare them, then we will have 4 equations. So if we solve these two equations, we will have x and y. If we solve these two equations, we will have a and b. There are solution. This is a solution. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, and a is equal to 0, b is equal to 5. Okay. Now these are some important exercises you have to solve. This is exercise number 1, and this is exercise number 2, and this is exercise number 3. This is exercise number 4, and this is exercise number 5. If you solve those exercises, that will be enough for your board exam. Okay.
So dear friends and students, if this video helps you even a little bit, give a thumbs up, leave your comment and share this video with all of your friends. Okay. Until next video, stay well, stay safe, tata.